Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Tanner and welcome to Crypto Bible. Now, I know whenever I do these like how-to videos and everything else, I am usually in the studio to try and make it look all professional. However, I actually got a notification from my track and trace app that I need to self-isolate now. Apparently, I came into contact with someone on the 10th of July and I need to self-isolate, hence why I am still doing this video, but it is in my house. I wanted to get this video out to everyone because I feel like it is extremely important people know exactly what to do right now. Obviously, deposits and withdrawals are now stopped on Binance. Obviously, there are ways to deposit into Binance. However, withdrawals right now in the UK and I believe in Europe, I'm not 100% sure, have stopped completely, and we need to find a way to get money out of Binance if you were to obviously withdraw back into your bank account. That's what I'm talking about, because Clear Junction have stopped it. Faster payments are no longer working on Binance anymore. So I want to show you guys a way to actually withdraw money back into your bank account using Kraken. Okay, I have done so much research on so many different exchanges on what the best app is to use in regards to like withdrawing and depositing. I have found that Kraken is definitely the best in regards to fees. So what we're basically going to do today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial screen recording with my voice behind it on how to get your crypto out of Binance into Kraken, then withdraw it back into your bank account. Now, don't get it wrong. Basically, this is just a tutorial on how to withdraw money back into your bank account and not moving your crypto from Binance into Kraken. There's so many more altcoins available on Binance, and Kraken does not store all of them. So literally only use this method if you want to get money back into your bank account. So just to kind of give you a breakdown, whatever coin you are holding on Binance, when you are ready to sell it back into your bank account, you're going to need to sell it to XRP, move that XRP from Binance to Kraken, sell that XRP for Great British pounds on Kraken, and then move it into your bank account. Okay, so without further ado, guys, let's get straight into it. This is a screen recording, so we're going to start off on Binance itself. As you can see right there, I've got £28.58 worth of XRP in my Binance. Whatever you have got and you are ready to sell it to Kraken, make sure you are selling it to XRP before you move it. And then what you want to do is head over to the Kraken app, and then you want to actually get your Kraken XRP deposit address and tag. In order to do that, you need to click the arrows in the bottom right-hand tab, and then click deposit cash or crypto. Then in the search box, you just want to type in XRP, click it, and here it will give you your XRP wallet address and tag. All you simply need to do is copy the address first using the squares next to the address. That will copy it to clipboard. Head back over to your Binance, click your XRP, and then click withdraw. Here, you need to paste that address in the address box. Network is XRP, so make sure that's always XRP. Head back over to Kraken, copy the tag, go back to Binance, and then paste the tag where it asks you to paste it. Then send however much you want to send. So in my case, I'm just going to click maximum, which is 62.6, and then click withdraw. Now, guys, we send XRP because XRP is the fastest and cheapest crypto to send. So we're going to be saving a lot of fees by doing this. So let's get back to it. So as you guys can see right here, the transaction fee is 0.25 XRP, which is basically next to nothing. You want to go ahead and confirm this and then do the security verifications by sending a text and an email code for you to fill in. So I've got mine right there, and I'll just go and get my Binance one as well. It's my deposit withdrawal. Paste it in there and then click submit. Send. Now, guys, usually after like 1 or 2 minutes, that will arrive in your Kraken account. And I suppose it's a good time for me to just kind of explain something. Every time I do these type of videos, there's always going to be someone else in the comments that may have a better idea on what to do. By all means, you could follow their steps as well. If anyone wants to share their ideas, this is what I found works the best, the easiest, the cheapest for me. Hence why I'm showing you. Also, whilst we are waiting, I did want to show you this right here. This is basically the deposit and withdrawal limits on Kraken. So you can basically pause this video if you want to, and I will share this link in the description below as well. So these are the cryptocurrency limits. You've got starter, express, intermediate, and pro here. You can up your limits by using the app. There'll be a section where you can basically enhance your app and have access to so much more features. But this is what you're looking at in regards to the limits. For crypto, this is what you're looking at in regards to cash. So even if you are just an express or intermediate, you can withdraw up to £100,000 or dollars a day, up to 500,000 a month. If you wanted to go ahead and do even more and become a pro, then yeah, as you can see, 10 million, 10 million, 100 million. So there are so many different features that you can access on Kraken itself. Like I said, I'll leave a link to this website in the description below, and I'll also show you guys as well the fees that are involved when you are actually like using the transactions and sending everything over. As we all know, withdrawals from Binance was £1.50 to send back to your bank account, straight £1.50, and that was all you were paying. For Kraken, it is ever so slightly more. It is literally the exact same thing. Very, very easy to do as well. But remember, only send your crypto to Kraken once you are ready to move it back to your bank account, because that's what we're using it for. Binance, you can still store your crypto on there, or if you want to store it on Trust Wallet, link in the description below for that as well, and how to use Trust Wallet so you can store your crypto safely on there. Otherwise, I suppose right now we are just waiting for the XRP to arrive in my Kraken address, and when it does, I will show you what to do next. Okay, guys, as you can see, my money has arrived in my Kraken account. You can see that my account balance is now £28.52, and that is how much I'm holding in XRP. Once it has arrived, it's very, very simple. You need to change it to Great British Pounds. To do that, you got to click the 2 arrows at the bottom again in the bottom right. And then this time, you're going to click Sell Crypto for Cash. So you're going to click that, and there you go. It shows you that you are now holding XRP. You just want to go ahead and click that. Go ahead and click Max, or however much you'd like to sell. And then here you can see it's only going to cost me 42p in order for me to trade XRP to Great British Pounds, and then swipe to confirm. And then just like that, I have now sold my XRP to Great British Pounds. So as you guys can see, it did only cost me 42p. Of course, the larger the transaction, the more it's going to be, but I can assure you it is one of the cheapest on the market. Okay. And it is very, very easy to do as well. Hence why I am showing you this. So now that you have moved your XRP out of Binance to Kraken, you have now traded your XRP to Great British Pounds on Kraken. How do we now move it back to our bank account? Let me show you. So guys, now that you have traded your XRP back to Great British Pounds on Kraken, again, you want to go ahead now and click the 2 arrows in the bottom again. And this time you want to click Withdraw Cash or Crypto, and it will show you that I am now holding just Great British Pounds or pounds sterling here. You want to click that and then click Max. And then here it will show you the options that you have available. Now, as you can see, what we want to be using is the faster payments. For Binance, it was a £1.50 fee. And for Kraken, it's a £1.95 fee. So as you could see, it is literally a 45p difference between Binance faster payment withdrawals and Kraken faster payment withdrawals. And if you're going to be crying over 45p, then I don't really know what to tell you. But it's only a £5 minimum withdrawal, okay, and a £1.95 fee. It is extremely cheap, very, very easy to do, and it is very, very similar to Binance as well. Okay, all you're basically doing is holding your crypto wherever, but whenever you are ready to sell it back to pounds or back into your bank account, you just move to Kraken. So let me show you what to do next. So once you get here, you just want to go ahead and actually click Clear Junction Faster Payments, and it will ask you you click next, and it will ask you for your description. So in my case here, I'll just write Tanner Metro because that is the bank that I'm using. And then it will ask for your account number. So you just want to go ahead and fill these details in. Then it will ask for your address. This is actually your bank's address as well. Okay, guys. So make sure you are inputting that correctly. Then it will ask for your bank name. And then lastly, it should ask for your sort code. Once that's done, you can obviously go ahead and click review because it is now added. And then you just swipe to confirm. And then that's basically it. As you can see, I'm going to withdraw £27.93. The fee will be £1.95. And altogether, I will be withdrawing £25.98. Swipe to confirm. And then do your two-factor authentication, which you should have set up once you created your actual Kraken account. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And then just like that, guys, it is done. As you can see, it is very, very simple to do. I think what I might even end up doing is writing like a quick step-by-step breakdown in the link in the description below as well. However, I hope you have found this video very, very easy to follow, very simple to use as well. It's a very easy method. There's nothing really too technical about it. All you really need to do beforehand is just get your Kraken account set up, verified, and everything else. Like I said, if you are going to be withdrawing a huge chunk of money, just go to this, the settings of your Kraken account and go to the limit features and see how you can up your limits. There are ways if you just provide more documents for them to actually verify that for you. That's all I had to do as well. And then your limits will be increased as well. So simple as that. Like I said, if you're on Binance and you are holding a particular coin and you're ready to sell it, simply trade it for XRP, send that XRP from Binance to Kraken, sell your XRP on Kraken to Great British Pounds, and then input all of your details for a faster payments withdrawal. And then it basically says that your withdrawal should be back in your bank account within a few days. However, it's very, very quick. Just like Binance used to be, it takes a few minutes. In fact, it was back in my bank account. Obviously, I skipped the video due to editing. It is now back in my bank account, and it's been like 10 minutes. So really, really quick, very, very easy, very, very cheap. So that is the best way, in my opinion, at this moment in time to withdraw money back into your bank account whilst the withdrawals are down for people in the UK on Binance. Like I said, hope you found this video very helpful. Share it to the people in case they need help as well. And again, I do apologize for the background. I do try to keep it professional, but I've just done what I had to do because I had to get this video out to you guys like as soon as possible. Understandably as well, because no one knows how to withdraw. People do, but they may not know the best way. This for me is the best way. Maximum fees that I would have paid there through all the transactions and the transferring, I probably ended up paying about £2.50, £3 maximum, which I'm not complaining about, you know, to be honest with you, I'm not complaining about at all. So like I said, the larger the transaction for trading XRP, the more it will be, but you know, XRP is the cheapest and quickest to move. So we can't really do too much else with it. If anyone else has any other opinions or plans, leave them in the comments below. I'd be very, very excited to see what you guys are saying as well. Otherwise, if you have liked the video, please leave a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you're updated whenever I upload a video. Join the Discord. The link is in the description below, guys. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon.